Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to enable the Watch and Earn option in TikTok, step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Log into your account and go to your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top corner and look for options like TikTok Rewards, Earn, or Watch and Earn, depending on your region. If the feature is available, tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to verify your account, accept terms, or link a payment method. Once enabled, you can start earning by watching eligible videos daily. Rewards are usually based on watch time and activity. If you don't see the option, it may not be available in your country or for your account yet. Keep using TikTok regularly and check for updates to unlock it later. Subscribe the channel for more videos.